Have you wondered why top hackers and cybersecurity experts never use Windows for penetration testing? Why do cybersecurity experts swear on Linux when it's coming to penetration testing and ethical hacking? If you want to learn cybersecurity or you are serious to learn cybersecurity, learning Linux is not an option for you, but it's necessity. Hello everyone, this is MD Joshimuddin with you all, and you are watching Learn Cybersecurity BD. Today, I am excited to kick off a brand new series on Linux for cybersecurity. In this series, I will explore everything about Linux and distributions, focusing on how they related to cybersecurity. Whether you are beginner to looking and level up your skills, I will guide you step by step from fundamentals to advanced techniques. By the end of the journey, you will be solid grips on Linux and how it plays a crucial role in ethical hacking, penetration testing, and cybersecurity defense. So, stay tuned and let's dive into the world of Linux and Linux security. From ethical hacking to digital forensics, Linux plays a crucial role for defending cyber threats. So, why it's so important? Why it is so crucial for cybersecurity? Which distribution of Linux is best for cyber experts? I'll all break down in a comprehensive way. Here we'll talk about 3 points. Why Linux is so important for cybersecurity? Which distribution of Linux is best for cybersecurity experts? And at last, the command. You know, mastering the command is the game changer for any cybersecurity experts. Why Linux is essential for cybersecurity? While cybersecurity analysts, ethical hacker, and even hackers using Linux for their works, security first. Compared to Windows, Linux has the strict permissions system, reducing the risk of malware infections. Open source advantages. Linux source code is open, allowing security experts to audit, modify, and vulnerabilities easily. And Linux is completely free, lightweight, and efficient. Linux uses fewer system resources while delivering fast performance, making ideal for security to operate penetration testing while any cybersecurity landscapes. Powerful command line CLI. Linux commands line is far more powerful than Windows, crucial for network analysis and penetration testing. No force update and tracking. Unlike Windows, Linux does not impose force, update, or background tracking, based for ethical hacking. Security focus. Security forced Linux distro like Kali Linux, Parrot OS, and BlackArch preloaded with hacking tools, pen testing, and red teaming. Linux makes it easier to simulate cyber attacks and identify vulnerabilities so that cybersecurity experts can do their works smoothly. Digital forensics tools like Autospy and ShieldKit enables digital forensics and incident response. Customizable security. Linux allows you to configure your security settings unlike Windows. Powerful network security. Tools like iptable and nftable helps manage firewalls and network security. Ideal for security service management. Major companies, banks, and government agencies use Linux servers for enhanced security that is trusted by them for any cyber attacks defense. For cybersecurity consideration, which popular distribution of Linux is best for cybersecurity experts? We'll talk about Kali Linux, Parrot OS, Arch Linux, and the Taylor OS. Kali Linux is a penetration testing and ethical hacking distro developed by Offensive Security. It comes payloads with 600 plus security tools like Metasploit, Nmap, and John the Reaper. Kill support, live booting, persistence mode, and virtual machine, making it visible for hacking labs. Security professionals and penetration tester use Kali Linux for vulnerability assessment, forensics, and network testing. While powerful Kali is the best for cybersecurity experienced users due to its root level access and hacking tool. Parrot OS. Parrot OS is lightweight, privacy-focused Linux distro built in ethical hackers and digital forensics. It offers two editions: Home for daily use of cybersecurity features and Security for hacking and pen testing. Compared to Kali, Parrot OS consumed less system resources and has better sandboxing features. It includes tools for reverse engineering, cryptography, and anonymity, making it ideal for researchers. Parrot OS integrates Tor, NoSearch, and JuluCrypt offers enhanced privacy and anonymity online. BlackArch Linux. BlackArch is an architecture-based Linux distribution designed for penetration testers and security researchers. It has over 2,800 hacking tools, making it one of the most comprehensive security-focused OS. Unlike Kali and Parrot, BlackArch requires manual installation and built-in for advanced users. Since it is based on the Arch Linux, it follows a rolling release model, always stays up to date. BlackArch is ideal for users who want a highly customizable, powerful penetration testing environment. Tails OS. Tails, the Animensic Incognito Live System, is a privacy-focused Linux distro designed for anonymity. It routes all internet traffic through Tor and leaves no trace on the host system. Tails is a live OS, meaning it runs directly from USB or DVD without installation. Journalists, activists, and privacy enthusiasts use Tails to evade surveillance and censorship. It includes built-in encryption tools like VeraCrypt and OnionShare for secure communication. We will describe about those in our next videos with command line example, so be with us and keep watching. Next, we're going to inform you the importance of the Linux terminal in cybersecurity. Now, I will tell you why Linux terminal is essential for cybersecurity. The Linux terminal is a backbone of the cybersecurity, allowing professionals to execute commands with precision and speed. It's far more powerful than any GUI, providing deep control over system process, networking, and security configuration. Security experts rely on the terminal for pen testing, network scanning, forensics analysis, and ethical hacking. Its support automations, making repeatedly security tasks easier through scripting with Bash, Python, or Perl. Minimal resource consumption, ensuring smooth performance unlike GUI-based tools that can slow down operations. Highly customizable themes let users modify the terminal's appearance for better reliability and aesthetic appeal. Command line utilities like Nmap, Metaxploit, and Wireshark were essential for ethical hacking and network defense. Unlike Windows PowerShell or CMD, the Linux terminal provides full system access, enhancing flexibility for security researchers. Learning terminal commands make you a true powerful user, helping you troubleshooting, analyze logs, and security systems efficiently. For any ethical hackers or cybersecurity analysts, mastering the Linux terminal is non-negotiable. I repeat, it's non-negotiable for any ethical hackers that you are not mastering the command. So, that's the basics of Linux for beginner to experts must know. If you are a cybersecurity beginner, please be with us and believe me, I will not be disappointed you. And we are meeting in our next video. Till then, take care.